Okay. Radios. How do I put the radios on and set?
The radio's right here, and this is off, so this is the Unicom. If you're going to use COM 1, then you dial this right up to COM 1 right there. COM 2 is down here. Alright, looks like the last person that was using it was using COM 2, 123 right there.
314 kilo, 6 miles to the south, inbound for runway 02.
Alright, is that the correct frequency for our airport?
Yes.
Are you sure?
The top one or the bottom one?
Either one.
I think so. Is it not?
How do we check?
Map.
If we're not completely sure. There we go. Check our map. We definitely want to know the frequency of our own airport. That one you might want to commit to memory. Now the other ones.
Centurion 542 Echo Bravo, 8 miles northeast, landing run 4, Kankakee.
Griffith.
1, 2, 3. We're going by the top one?
Yeah, we can put the top one in there. Go ahead and dial it in.
Wait, is it already on 1, 2, 3?
Down here it is, but if you want to dial it in up here and use COM 1, we can do that as well.
That's how it goes.
Yep, now push that and it'll scroll over. Then do there. And we'll go ahead and do our comm check.
4, for 8 downwind for runway 4.
So Griffith Unicom, this is Cessna 25852, radio check please. And then when she comes back and says loud and clear, then go ahead and make sure to tell her thank you.
Griffith Unicom, this is Cessna 25852, radio check, what is it?
That's correct.
At Griffith?
Yep. Setting up for left hand downwind for runway 4.
Griffith Unicom, this is Cessna 25852, radio check at Griffith. This headset is louder.
Loud and clear.
Thank you.
Got that good voice. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to check, make sure, as we always do, it's all procedures, remember? Okay, and most accidents happen on the ground in an airplane, so we're going to be very vigilant while we taxi, making sure everything's good that way, checking the winds, and so on. But we also make sure that we're using our checklist each time, so make sure that our airspeed's looking like it should be. We're just sitting here, so it's not alive or anything. Make sure that this is up and erect. Make sure it's not all flopped to the side, so that's a sign that something could have happened to it. You have an issue with your attitude indicator. Altitude, what's our altitude here? Might want to leave that map open to that section.
634 feet.
That's what I usually do, like right here, boom, and then you've got it right open. 634, so let's go ahead and dial in 634.
Kankakee, Centurion 542 Echo Bravo, entering downwind, left downwind for runway 4, Echo Bravo.
There we go. Alright, now with our compass showing our heading, we'll want to put that in on our directional gyro down there. Alrighty, and the ATIS for Gary. And we can dial that in here if we want. 134.52, is that what it says? Winds are out of, if you look at the windsock, you can see the winds are out of the northeast, right?
Yes.
Alright, so which runway are we going to go on, 26 or 8?
26. Going that way, right?
Right.
So is that 8?
Well, winds are coming out of the east.
Perfect traffic, Warrior 43X Lima, back to runway 0.
So this one is 8.
What's that?
This going this way is 8.
Yes. You'll see on our directional gyro, if we lined up on it, it would be headed that way, right? Right. Alright, let's go ahead and taxi out there. Alright, let's slow down. Before we cross over that line, we're going to make our announcement. Don't forget that. And we look to the left, look to the right, make sure we're clear. And then make our announcement, say Griffith traffic. This is Cessna 25852, back taxi runway 8, Griffith.
Griffith, this is Cessna 25852, back taxi, runway Griffith.
Alright, let's go ahead and back taxi. Mag check's complete, KRP check, suction's good, electrical looking good, radios are set, our instruments are in the green, it's looking good. Alright, we'll hold short of this line, wait for the traffic.
Lima departing 08 Griffith.
And you can go ahead and announce that we're taxiing into position on runway 8.
Griffith traffic, this is Cessna 25852, taxiing in position on runway 8 at Griffith.
Alright, let's do it.
Griffith, Cessna 273, Juliet, turning possibly runway 8, Griffith.
Traffic's clear on the right, traffic's clear on the left.
Griffith traffic, Warrior 43X Lima, leaving chapter and departing the south.
Alright, traffic is clear off the runway ahead of us, so go ahead and make your announcement for takeoff, and then we'll go ahead and do it.
Yeah, it's clear. What do I say?
Griffith traffic, this is Cessna 25852, departing runway 8 at Griffith.
Griffith, Cessna 27, Juliet, turning downwind runway 8, Griffith.
Griffith traffic, this is Cessna 25852, departing on runway 8 at Griffith. Go.
Yep, full power. Remember, you're going to have a little bit of wind out of the north. Because we have that northeast wind, we're taking off on 8. Airspeed's coming alive, nose is coming up. Slightly let down the nose, let down the nose. That happens, so we fly the airplane first. First and foremost, we fly the airplane, fly the airplane, fly the airplane. Then we're going to deal with situations that arise, okay? This is the perfect situation that has caused people to have an accident just because a door pops open. So first, we're going to maintain our aircraft control. You're going to get your nose down a little bit more so we're climbing at 80 like we're supposed to be, all right? Then, once we get to 1,000 feet, we're going to worry about that open door, okay?
Okay.
So keep the wings level. We're going to fly out like we normally do. All right? Now we're at 1,000 feet, so our altitude's good. We have a little bit of safety cushion there. All right? Now assess the problem. Do you think you can get that door shut while in flight, or would you rather go around, land the airplane, and shut the door? Alrighty. Since you have somebody here, you can go ahead and grab it with this hand here, get that door shut, or if you want to have assistance, I can take the aircraft while you slam that door.
Can you take it real quick?
I've got the airplane.
There's no handle.
Alright, go ahead and open that window, slam it with the window. Okay. There you go. Now shut the window. You're all good and latched now?
Yeah.
Alrighty, I've got us in a turn headed to the south. You take the airplane, so you've got control of the airplane now. And then go ahead and make your announcement saying you're turning out to the south.
Griffith, but this is Cessna 25852, turning to the south at Griffith.
Alright. And we'll go ahead and climb up to 2,000 feet. And as long as you keep the RPMs around 23, 24, that's fine. What we're going to go ahead and do is work on some landings over at Lansing. So I want you to, unless you remember their frequency, go ahead and look their frequency up, get your radio set up for their frequency, and then I want you to go ahead and check the Gary ATIS so we know what the winds are exactly at. And then remember, we fly the airplane first and foremost. Fly the airplane, fly the airplane, fly the airplane.
That's 122.7, so.
122.7? All right. Well, we've got Gary's already in there, so you might want to keep that one in there. We could go ahead and use Comp 2 for
Quebec departing the pattern to the northeast.
for Lansing. It'd be a smart use of our radios, but you can do whatever you want with them.
So.
But if you do this, see this right here, the style here, we'll change it here, okay? But it needs to be up here to scroll it up, to scroll it down. See what I mean?
Yeah.
So go ahead and set it in there. 122, you said 70, right?
Yeah.
And all the time we're looking for traffic here because this is a heavy traffic area just north of Cedar Lake between Griffith and Cedar Lake and Lansing Airport. All right, so you have 122.70. Now you've got it up in that, so that's good that way. And then what we'll do is we'll just switch to COM 2. Okay?
Okay.
Now we're about 5 nautical miles to the southeast of Lansing. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and let them know that and let them know we're inbound for landing. Okay?
So 5 nautical miles to the southeast.
Right, so it'll sound like this. Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 25852, 5 nautical miles to the southeast of Lansing, inbound for landing.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 25852, 5 nautical miles southeast, inbound for landing at Lansing.
All right, what's pattern altitude here when we get in the pattern?
1600.
Yep, that'll work. All right, and how are you going to want to enter left pattern for this?
Like that. 45 degrees.
Alrighty. And are we going to be landing runway 36 or 18 or 27 or 9? What are you going to want to do?
9.
Alrighty then.
Wait, so this is a left pattern?
It'll be left pattern.
So I'm going to be circling on that side.
Yep, you're going to want to cut in like this, then you're going to want to cut there, and then your airport will be right off to the left. That's standard pattern work. Unless the airport facility directory says otherwise, that's what you're going to do at each airport. Pitch plus power equals performance, so if we get a little high, you know what to do, right?
Yeah.
Zulu weather. Wind 040 at 10, gust 15, visibility 20. Ceiling 5,500 broken, 25,000 broken.
Headed traffic, Hyper, 40 Echo, Italian, right, base for only 13 entries.
Alright, we got a guy doing right traffic in, so we're going to have to make our announcement, let him know that we're on left downwind for runway 9er.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 25852, left downwind for runway 9er.
Alright, let's watch our airspeeds, buddy. Alright, once we get to 45, we want to make our turn. And add the 10 degrees of flaps. 10. And Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 25852, left base for runway 9er, Lansing. Nav lights are on, landing lights are on. Looking to the right, making sure no traffic is on final. Keep it at 75 till we get the next 10 degrees of flaps on 7580. Clearing the right. And Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 25852, turning final, runway 9er, Lansing. Alright, we're a little low, so hold your altitude until you bring those lights in. Or you can come down in the numbers. Numbers shouldn't look like they're moving on your dash. Keep it at 70 till you made the runway. Coming back. Alright, we're gonna stop and back taxi. Power all the way off. Car beats coming in. Turn off at Echo. And latitude traffic, this is Cessna 25852, clear runway 9er, landing. Alright, we can go ahead and bring the flaps up. And we're going to go ahead and taxi over to runway 36. On the plan?
36, that is on that going over there.
See the signage right there? We've got runway 279er. If we follow Golf all the way along here, taxiing Golf. If we taxi Golf, that'll take us right on up to 36. And latitude traffic, this is Cessna 25852, taxiing Golf to runway 36, landing. And latitude traffic, this is Cessna 25852, crossing over runways 279er, landing. Clear on the right, clear on the left. And latitude traffic, this is Cessna 25852, clear runways 927, landing, taxiing Golf to 36. Now that takes some pretty good skill, taxiing a helicopter. You think it's hard taxiing this thing on the center line? See him, how he's getting it right in the center? Let's follow his lead. I think I might know that guy. Met him at Chipotle restaurant.
So.
All right, whenever you're ready, buddy.
Do we announce?
We always do, right?
Cessna 25852.
Let them know who you're talking to. Remember the W's. Who we're talking to, who we are, what we want, so on and so forth. And then cap it off. I like to cap it off again with who we're talking to in case they missed it in the beginning. Remember, winds are out of the northeast, so if anything, we're going to have a little bit more correction in towards the right a little bit, and then it'll gradually be coming off as we get more and more left there, all right?
Okay, so Lansing, this says a 25852.
Departing on runway 36.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 25852, departing on runway 36 at Lansing.
There we go. Look to the right, make sure we're clear on the right, clear on the left. Good to go. Airspeed's coming alive. just stay in the pattern, go around and land.
Juliet traffic, Cessna 672 Mike Alpha on A45 runway 13 Juliet.
Pitching traffic at Scout Manufactured Alpha is 4,000 and about 4 miles to the east to be over the top for a simulated engine out for 36 cushion.
Go ahead and make your crosswind announcement.
Turning to the...
Turning crosswind.
Lansing, this is Cessna 25852, turning crosswind on runway 36.
36.
Juliet traffic, Cessna 672 Mike Alpha, midfield downwind for runway 13 Juliet.
Now, downwind.
That's correct.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 25852, turning downwind for runway 36 at Lansing.
Juliet traffic, Cessna 672 Mike Alpha, turning base runway.
County traffic, 4 Sierra Echo is turning right for crosswind on runway 1.
Juliet traffic, Cessna 672 Mike Alpha on final runway 13 Juliet.
Lansing traffic, Comanche 10 miles southwest over Balmoral Park, landing Niner, Lansing.
Alright, we'll keep our eye out for him. Should take him about 7 to 8 minutes to get
Pitching
here.
traffic 9 Alpha is over the top, 4,000, estimated engine out 36 cushion.
County traffic, Aero 4 Sierra Echo, turning right downwind for runway 13 entry.
Once we're at the 45, turn our left base, make our announcement, put our 10 degrees of flaps in.
Announcement is turning left base.
Left base for runway 36, Lansing.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 25852, turning left base for runway 36 at Lansing. Gyro.
Rocket 24 Hotel, downwind 04 Juliet. Roger that.
Pitching traffic 9 Alpha is entering a left downwind for 36 cushion. Simulated engine out.
Rocket 24 Hotel, base 04 Juliet.
Lansing traffic, this is Cessna 25852, turning final for runway 36 at Lansing.
Lansing traffic, Comanche's approaching the height, COR, change the runway to runway 36. Lansing traffic.
And Cessna 52 is on short final, runway 36. It'll just be a touch and go here at Lansing. We'll be looking for the traffic inbound.
56 Kilo, we're just outside of Jinko, doing a practice ILS to runway 2.
Dane County traffic, jar plane 516 Mike Golf. On a close in left downwind.
Watch your airspeed on final, buddy. Shouldn't be swaying all over. Should be at 70 till you make the airport. Then you reduce the power. This is when the power comes off. Get it in the center. I got your flaps. Full power. Alright, good job. Let's keep it in the center next time though. They don't have that big white line down the middle for nothing. And landing traffic to Cessna 25852, just off of runway 36 on an upwind. Landing traffic.
Atlantic traffic, Comanche's over to heights, COR over our left base, 36 full stop landing,
We're at the stage of training where I'm trying to get you ready for your solo, so I'm going to try to say as little as possible during this whole situation, during this whole pattern, landing, and everything else. Now, if you do have a question, just let me know, and I'll answer it. This will be a full stop landing. We'll go take a break. How does that sound?
Traffic, Cessna 119 Delta, turning crosswind, runway 10 by number. Number traffic, Cessna 119 Delta, turning downwind, runway 10 by number.
Both traffic, this is Cessna 25852, turning base for runway 9 at Bolt. Traffic, this is Cessna 25852, turning final for runway 9 at Bolt.
Number traffic, Cessna 119 Delta, turning base for.
Keep the wings level. Keep coming down. Right rudder pedal. Pretty tight on the controls still. So let's loosen up on those controls and put that correction in. Alright, you can call clear.
Full traffic, this is Cessna 25852, departing on runway 9.
Dock 146 on a uniform is downwind runway 4, Kinky.
That was a wet one.
Yeah, that was a big one.